Ready for this?
Hey guys, how you doing? This is your favorite fat man. We are on three wheels. We are out today at West Milton at Tate's Tasty Treats. We are out today for the big one, the Two Shanes, no waiting. The Two Shanes big show out in West Milton. Actual car show. As you see, guys are rolling in. People are coming out. It's getting to be good times. Little overcast right now, but the sun is peeking through every now and then. We're going to have a blessed day. Had a great day yesterday. Going to have a better one today. We are going to get rolling. We are going to get rocking. We're going to set out here and watch them roll in. Here they come. We're going to get pictures of cars. Uh-oh. I apologize. It's Flea. What up? Yeah, we did a quick little live stream. You have already seen that. Just telling everybody we're here, inviting everybody out. It's going to be a good day. Blessed day every day we get to go out, enjoy the camaraderie, enjoy showing our cars, enjoy looking at other people's cars, just having fun. They're coming in. We'll get back at it. Yes, indeed, the sun is poking through, burning off all this nastiness, but it's looking good. Cars are rolling in. We're going to keep going. buddy. Hey, buddy. Here's some more, Shane. He was out yesterday.
Yeah, that's some engineering.
Okay, you want to know?
Invasion.
There's your competition right there.
Yes, sir. Right up here.
Morning, Rob.
Great day for a car show.
Isn't it though? Isn't any day a good day?
Any day is a good day for a car show.
What's up, Eddie? Who's that woman you have with you?
Told me hurry up, get off.
Yeah, you're doing good. Yeah, guys, we have been out here a good little while. More are still rolling in, I know, but I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm possibly going to get either the high stick or the sky cam out, one of them, stick it up, cruise around, get some of those shots, and then we'll try and get some individual clips and stuff later on. But oh, I'm very happy, and the Shanes are smiling, so it's a good turnout and stuff for their first time event here. I'm loving it. Let's get started. Let's just cruise around, see what we got. Let's go. They're playing your song. it is starting to mist a little bit. So I'm gonna have to get a waterproof camera. The quality's not gonna be as good. The sound is not gonna be anything worthwhile, but I will do my best to keep shooting as long as folks stay here. But we'll do what we can. I just got to get a waterproof one.
Slow down a little bit. Some folks are leaving, but some folks are staying. I'll keep going as best I can. I know this sounds crappy on this camera, but there might be some raindrops.
Really? You can break the camera.
Nope. You're welcome. I bet you she swipes him.
What'd you say?
She's gonna switch him.
Sure, she's very friendly. That's Maggie. She don't want you to
Hi, how you doing? How you doing? All right. Yes, you're pretty. Pretty. This one has crappy sound. Ready? Oh, that's okay.
Can't hear it.
Yeah, that's good. What'd you do? Sound deaden the doors?
Everything is.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. I got the dynamite everywhere.
Sweet.
Ain't that fucking neat?
That's good. Wet. It's wet.
It's ridiculous.
Hey, did somebody judge that?
Yeah. A before and after shot. Yeah, it's pouring rain, and they're still coming in. Sorry about the sound, but the waterproof camera just doesn't have good sound.
4525.
4475. 4428.
Yeah, but I know other people never win these things. The only things I care about.
4374. 4387. $114 is the 50-50.
Sorry about the sound, but this is the best I can do with the downpour that's going on and the waterproof camera.
All right, 50-50 drawing. 853-2529. 853-2529.
Oh, please have the best time of your life.
853-2529. All right, we got a winner. We'll confirm it here. 853-2529.
Yes. Red chicken. It was red.
All red tickets. Is that you? 114 is 50-50. You gotta find it. 853-2529.
Time's up.
There it is. We got a winner. $114. You sure?
Yeah,
He
he's
has
sure.
personally donated back to us to give to St. Jude's. We appreciate that.
Woo!
All right. The other Shane's gonna start calling the awards here because what happened to 4:30? No, you gotta stand out in the rain like me. All right.
I can't tell.
Okay, thanks for everyone for coming out. Had a pretty good turnout for the first time.
Yeah.
Sorry about the rain. I'm about as good as the weatherman, so sorry about the rain and everything. I just want to thank some really good sponsors that we had for this show. LDC Services was a nice sponsor for us. We had Tate's too as well, and special thanks to O'Reilly's for supplying some stuff for us as well. So we really appreciate it. Appreciate the turnout. So we will try to get through these things as fast as we can. We have a total, after the other sponsor, we have a total of 35 trophies. So we'll be giving out 35 awards plus a best of show, and then also a O'Reilly's choice. O'Reilly's had their pick as well. So we'll try to get these things as fast as we can here. Okay, the first one here, entry number 45, Tim Hoshauer, 65 Nova 2.
Yeah.
Next one is it's for entry number 22, Tom and Sue Morris, a 69 Z28.
Yeah.
I'm the wet guy.
Next one here is Terry Bach, a 1969 Shelby GT 500.
What was the first one? 65
Yeah, 65 Nova 2.
right here. Oh. Yes, sir.
Terry. Next one is Zach Bolin, a 62 Impala.
Hey, that works. Good timing.
Baby in the rain. Baby in the rain.
Tim Roberts, 65 C10 step side. Mike Moore, 1999 Bug 4x4 special. Sorry about the last name. Rob Sturtevant, 64 Ford Galaxy.
He left.
He left.
Dark blue, sitting over here on the
Okay,
corner.
we got his. We'll give him a call.
Yeah. He left.
Next one here is car number, entry number 49, Rob Schrader, 71 Nova.
Just stick it right there. Thank you, Shane.
Thanks, Rob. 68 Ford Mustang, entry number 39, Eric Nelson. Eric, Grove Street there. Next one's number 55, Jenkins was the last name, a 69 Plymouth.
I take either one. I saw you run.
Next one's entry number 38, Kevin Nelson, 1936 Dodge truck.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it. Yep.
Next one here is Austin Jenkins, 2010 Silverado. Oh, right behind you.
Oh, yeah. I have an umbrella.
Entry number 3, Scott Roberts, 1978 Ford Bronco.
I love that baby. Hold on a second. Let me get this.
Entry number 20, Steve Lewis, 1966 GTO.
Take a look at me.
Entry number 11, Norm Oldham, 1979 L82 Corvette.
Thank you. I got
Entry number 29, Chris Kroll, 1969 Firebird.
Thank you. Chris.
Next one's entry number 33, Steve Bohr, 1948 Coupe. Entry number 25, Dwayne Meyer. It doesn't say the car.
It's right here. That's his car right there.
Oh, okay.
Where did he
Monte
go?
Carlo.
Oh, there he is.
There he is, yeah.
Dwayne.
Entry number 35, Chuck Poling, 1967 Camaro. Number 24, Larry Powers, 1964 Impala. That's you, Larry.
Wrong Larry.
Why
did it say 64 pounds?
Larry Powers.
I gave him one.
He's already got his.
I thought he said Larry Powers.
Who had this? Yeah.
No, I can't see him.
Hold on.
Just don't call him late.
Larry Powers.
He wouldn't hear that.
It's like you said. Okay. Oh.
Got mixed up there.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Wrong Larry. Next one is inch number 15, Marcia Holloway, 1970 Chevy Chevelle.
Sorry, Don. It's okay, I'm going to kick you. Try to stay behind you. Try again.
Next one's inch number 40, Mike Stanifer, 1934 Ford 5-window.
Back there. There you go.
Entry number 14, Charlie Holloway, 1973 Laguna.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Entry number 48, Cadillac Mac 2015 Coyote Mustang.
Thank you, Scotty.
Entry number 8, Bill Vaught, 1952 Coupe. Entry number 7, Fred Morgan, 1931 Model A.
Fred!
Entry number 6, Darren Swearington, 1965 Ford Mustang.
I'm trying.
Entry number 1, he got here at 6:30 this morning, Larry Martin. 64 Chevy.
We already gave Larry his.
I know. Somebody didn't read it.
You sure
It
there's
was a
nothing?
different Larry. We got
Oh,
taken
okay.
care of. Next one, entry number 16, Rob Klein, 1974 Econoline van.
That's how it got screwed up.
Yeah! Long live the hippies!
Rick Spradlin, 1948 Dodge pickup.
Rick!
Entry number 52, Wally Broden, 1970 Corvette.
There he is.
Entry number 56, Justin Walkner, 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1.
The late arrival.
There's no entry number on this one. This is Dan Loudschultz, 1969 Pontiac Firebird. Entry number 59, Tony Treadwell, 1946 Chevy Coupe, business coupe.
Thank you.
Hold on. Got it.
And
Yeah, you don't want that, honey.
entry number 34, Mike Oakes, 1967 Ford Galaxy. All three of these people left? No, they're on. That's all three left. We have two more, Avesta Show, and then O'Reilly had their choice of their pick as well. O'Reilly's choice goes to number 10, 1994 Chevy S10 Fleet.
Please!
That's short around.
That's O'Reilly's
How much did it cost you, Flea? How much did that cost you?
The Avesta Show here, it goes to number 26, Herb Perry, 1950 delivery.
Yeah! Yeah!
That's it, folks. Thanks for everyone for coming out. We appreciate you all staying through the rain. We really appreciate it. Had a pretty good show. Thanks again to our sponsors. Really appreciate everything.
Thank you, Shames!
Yeah, thanks a lot. We'll try next year for the second annual. Thank you. Everybody be safe going home.
Oh no, you hang out till 3:30, it don't matter.
The rain is kind of stopping. I know this sounds crap on this, but it's a good time. It was a really good time and stuff. So we'll see how this all turns out with the because the water's just drenched and running off of it. So we'll see how this all turns out. But it was a good time. Good time, Mike.
Oh yeah.
Good time.
Okay, yeah.
All right, guys. We might watch some of the rollouts, but the sun is shining now. It's just amazing. I'm on the road. See ya. The sun is just shining out here now. Sorry about the lens, but that's more water spots than I can get clean. See ya, be safe, see ya. careful, it's slippery. Take care now. See you, Mike. Shane, thank you, buddy.
No, thank you.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
No problem.
Go home and rest. Hope Mom
Yeah, I'm gonna get dried out.
Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you
Thanks a
guys.
lot.
We'll be here
All right.
when we
Appreciate
can.
that. Thank you very much.
Take care. Bye, Larry. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Don.
Bye, Flea. Be careful, Flea. Drive safely.
Take care, man.
Take care. Yep. Sun's out now. We're oh, that lens is so wet and dirty. Take care, buddy. We'll see you later. We're on the road. See ya.